Hi, in this video, let me show you how to check the battery health of your MacBook Neo. So you're going to go on the top left corner and click on the Apple logo. Then you're going to go down and select System Settings. Next, you're going to get Battery on the left side, click on it. And now you're going to see Battery Health. It says normal, but we can have much more information than this by clicking the eye icon. And here you're going to have battery condition. Okay, we already know that, but also maximum capacity. This is a brand new computer, so it's at 100%, but over time, after charging it a few hundreds times, this number will go down. So if you're buying a used MacBook Neo in the future, check this so you know if the battery still can hold charge, or if it's under 75%, there's a good chance that you'll want it getting replaced since it has lost a lot of capacity. Otherwise, we also have optimized battery charging. So to reduce battery aging, Mac learns from your daily charging routine, so it can wait to finish charging past 80%. I always suggest you choose this unless you need your computer at 100% all the time. If you can deal with the Mac only charging at 80% sometimes, just so that it preserves that battery so you don't have to replace it after a few years, I suggest you keep this turned on. Otherwise, this is it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.